가르쳐 쉬우지 자셔버리셔. 최캐라네, 최캐마라네, 줄을 담으러 가르쳐야 있는데 개개물로. Brothers and sisters, we are same human being, mentally, emotionally, physically, we are same. We can develop a sense of oneness of humanity. If we make attempt now, next generation, through such education, could be more peaceful generation.
그 대원 등기다 동해면대 임배찬이 상절해야지 시달해서.
실루라 마딘비 상제.
Norway pyogi longting khaji lerim sensi na yen yong la ya samti trust le shugo yin pyomi lana mebe oti cheno khon skam gyon chimbo cho ki terin kya ga gesa dili la tin shi chebe anda sudun khaji choga na lo la ya chulu la ma den be sangju si learning she chi zo tang semnyo sangju che gi shen yu lo su di ngyo su unje na yu ba re Zawe Sanju ki lopsu di Khonsa Kyamgyo Chimbo Cho ki Gongxie dang Kalub Lamdion Wola ya Gechi Tseri Keba dang Shenyun Tola Chari Nankin Mina Mangbuchi ki Chudu Nangche Emuri Zula Lomnye Khan ki Nyo Su Tempe Shuba Shik Chagyo Barre. Tariki Shenyun Lopsu Dishin, Geji Gekab Mindrawa Chungil Hagi Gei Tola Ya Dus Tempe Shu Barre. Tari Unche Zego Di Tola Ya Khonsa Kyamgyo Chimbo Cho Yube Gesa Dili Lunchin Shunba, Tagana Shin Geji Gekab Jamine Pepe Mise Kunjun. Hagwardo Gechi Gekab Sumchu Sobdun Hagi Nalola Ya Dinshi Chebe, Labdaka Mindrawa Gyal Hagi Nalola Ya, Shenyun Tola Chalenanki Gegen, Taganashi Chele Keba, Manguchik Peyu Barre.
I really appreciate Emory University and concerns for people who really now pay attention for that. The result may not achieve next week, but I think next generation will come more sensible human being, more compassionate human being. Then not only individual become happier and family, but also entire world can be more peaceful, more genuine sense of cooperation and ready to share others' problem and helping each other. So our interactions use constructive way, we can do immense good things. Same time, this intelligence, you see, use destructive way, as I mentioned earlier, then really very, very harmful. So now, basic human nature is very good, compassionate nature. night, blue sky, moon, beautiful. I think 1,000 years, people always say, poetry, poetry, always mention. But if you see, we try to settle there, hopeless. We will die. So no matter how difficult our world, this is our only home. So we have to take care of our environment.
As an education minister, I can say, and as a human being, as a citizen, I can say that this SE learning course material is one of the greatest gifts to humanity. That's the only thing. Emotional and ethical learning is the only thing that we, all human beings on the earth, are really looking for, and really we want this today. I would say this is the solution to hate rate. This is the solution to violence. This is the solution to all the divisions that we are living with together. This is the solution to make human being one. This is the only solution, I would say, to bring oneness amongst all the human beings living on the earth. And that's much needed. Again, I would like to say that we learn more from this SE curriculum. We would like to adopt this as soon as possible, as fast as possible, maybe in the name of happiness or maybe in the name of C curriculum. But yes, future of the human being, future of the earth, future of all the nations is in SE learning. So thank you very much for making this possible for all human beings. And thank you, His Holiness Dalai Lama, for blessing us. No child has ever created any religion. It is we, adults, did. We teach them to be Hindustani, Indian, Pakistani, Bangladeshis, African, Americans. Who has created these borders? No child. It is adults who created the borders on this Mother Earth, and we teach them nationalities and boundaries. So if such an effort can help in bringing back and de-learn these kind of things, and try to inculcate that inner child inside us, and I'm sure that those who worked on it might have thought that how the teachers would be trained and educated, not just to teach the children compassion, but learn compassion from children.
Andina she and the band to him lapta, gagin the lapta goti, lepchunjis de la lecture jeler jigio. Yeah, and the sea launch the giant, and that the concept the chazang around the turim lapta, lerajit conflict management or lerajio. The into coaching na yinere and conflict resolution to lomien the dead headmaster dinsel pen top do. And it depends how you do the detail challenge shenda to them lapta challenge in a the member they see learning to na yubzul kudu yonje and in yomdo detail the research in a quality exchange on any pen top carried lergia to stay and ranyum dollar and the band the Zurich University psychologist of education, the philosopher of education, Professor Ni. They pay you and cranny in it, the Donana to think and up a gobble to 10 years. That's Chazang water shoe at the deal and get near Kiki and Dinashi done that to Chaza around to Roncho girl, Yimbridine, around to Burbage, Yimbang, and drink at Chimbody. They chat to do and around to Churo girl in a Langlenta, Carrico up Condet West, Samladai in Long.
Hi, my name is Chanda Pilgrim. I'm from the United States, from Atlanta, Georgia. I'm here today. I came here with my church, Hillside International Truth Center, and we are here to, I want to learn this stuff. I want to be able to bring this stuff back to the United States and work with children and transform the world. I think this can really make a change in this world, and I'm really excited about this happening.
Completing my +2, I went to Bangalore in South India, and where I faced discrimination, and I was very much depressed that time. And then then Tonglen introduces me this secular ethics in education, and then I found that my problems were somewhere emotionally, and then there was lack of self-acceptance. Then I accepted myself, the background I'm from. It doesn't really matter. What you want to be. And then I have learned this discernment, where I found that we have to be a good decision maker. So this is how C-learning has helped me, secular ethics.
덴데직다 응위시 운제 나야기 뒤지지 샤그리 섬야juk 직 마주 다다린도 승지 중디벳 야 직래가 무트 쳄데다 직 탐에 뒤데 담아 야제울바 젬베 쳄토네 아니 라렌타야기 뒤지지 레송아 섬상로 지기 네 가서 심부시다 아니 다 직네 직 수다 나주 계획도 줘요 말때 차로난게 관계 아니 군뉴기 공실라 이제체 아니 려게체 아니 뉴슈봉 근데 제베 천주년대 제베 준대 상부지리 선제 근데 이신예죠
이슬라타 다리 남바슬럽시디 운제 나 투바레 다 디네파 마움발라 다 차시 컨데로스
다 단다 당기 송야는 시제도 디 미유코랑 점린 개체를 봐 라렌타야레 아니 지지도 점린 개체 네 직 델 직도나 요겐다 아니 지게 데와 요겐다 데유 요겐데 저 관계 디톨 지 체도 냠도 나로나 아니 맞을라디 냠도 레가 제로 고기였어 냠레 제로 고기예 냠레 제로 숭두가라 수수수수 거바기 아니 고급다 아니 지게 내다 비주제부터네 디 소다를 맞으네 베체서식 제네 아니 저도 제백값이 이내 지금 강투도기 거기 고야 자기인디 상외 토네 저도 제야다 안라바도 된데기 진짜진 발라 저도 지도 녜라 롭지 지긴 기긴 코로나를 디 규유 주고 여러 규유디에 지그 로토 삼루토네 고도지고 마이바 지그 냠레랑기 림베토네 라레랑기 림베토네 지 규르바 지직 조어르지 수수 카베토네 안 롭지 지도에 주고 유사 디 강가 아니 지다 수십제 다지제 탑시 강투도 투비아시에베토네 라렌타고 그래서 뭐들이 다 전당 니버디 단다 유에되게 소득에서 디 지고기 만지비체니 다 직주도 되면 돈은 소득체니 내가에는 수수수 수익 고급으로 들어가면 디다 다지 지금 다 직주 되면 돈은 고급 라렌타네 이제 럽저로 예송도 찍라 차상도 찍 진짜 차상도 찍 전전이 근데 럽체 가서 럽시네 림바 차상지 바꿔는 때문에 도 전도네 아니 로바다 냠도 아니 심주 림바 찍게 고리제니 다제 제제 주와 가르치소 심마소 나 라레마다 공기 아니 네버 가르레 탄다 라렌다베 쇼고 네버 가르레 간데스 가와 주와 치소 간데스 주소 센디 다 체리기 람네 다 응외유기 중앙된데 돈네 아니 아라두 돈네 다 라렌케는 디기도 아니 상초된데 도시네 네즈디다 체리기 람네 아라두 주투베 탑시 제고유자 다 디톨라 천두냠데 지겐게 다 직 W 수유네 직니 다투 니 대원나로 나센 슈에드레